I started this video and my phone, I start getting messages as soon as I started the video. So I just restarted it. Alright. Like I said, I'm trying to get rid of stuff so I can take it out into the car and take it to my store. Thanos. Boing, boing, boing. Something has got to be done about this spider bite thing. I think I'm gonna go back up to whatever that's called. I was wondering where my bag was from Target. It got water on it, and I was like, get that away from the Spock and the Thanos. So now my Target merchandise is, along with the receipts, in a Walmart bag. Alright, good. You can travel to new places and there's a Target from a bunch of days ago. Uhura. Hulk. Piggy Clowny. Piggy Clowny. How do you go wrong? Oh, and in the mail, I got another one of those Target drop things. That's where you go that way. You smash your finger here, you drop this here, your phone goes flying over there. It's like freaking playing yo-yo with me. Well, I guess I can't be mad when you have the Prism Blaster, and I showed you the other one from the other day. I had two of these on Sunday night, and now Monday morning I got this stuff. There was so much good stuff. It was ridiculous. Crap. Why is all this crap here? Freaking cans of soda and Sucrets tins. I don't understand why this is here. I didn't put it there. It's called Expressions tape. I want to say this is Tuncanic. The Big H. Oh, that's right. I get this kind of stuff at the Big H too. Get these stupid bags out of here. It's driving me crazy. Prestige. And the expensive ones. I'll tell you what though. Everyone's bitching about how expensive these are. I opened one. I don't want to say they're worth it. They're worth it. They're nice. They're sweet. Okay, I was wrong. I thought stuff fell over there, but it didn't.
2 off-speed strikeouts. He hit a batter, gave up a home run for 80 pitches, 55 strikes. There it is. Number 30.
This is ridiculous. My God, this is just crazy. It's like someone came in here as a prank and just started messing with my stuff. Because I didn't do this. I didn't have bottles and cans. And I wouldn't throw that stuff with my stuff. Like, look, this was from the other day. I remember I did a video and it was in that pile and I just threw it over there. Oh, I know why. Because it was plastics. It was recyclables day. That's why that's there. Someone must have been throwing it and missed. And I have my recycling things right there. All right, what is this? Iron Man. One of the, I think, 3 variations. At least there's a couple variations. Okay, see, that's a different variation. It says Silver Centurion armor. Silver Centurion armor. This one just says regular Iron Man. And if stuff keeps falling, so I was gonna say I'll show you all the different ones, but I don't have time. I have to get rid of this stuff before it caves in on me. It's ridiculous. And I bought tons of cards, but everything that's here is all like action figures. Oh, it's not the same ones. It's a different one. I got 2 Alakazams at like 4 different places. So the other Alakazams are right here, right next to it. And I'm not going to pull them out just to prove it. Sun and Moon, TB.
2 outs. Anderson back behind first.
Zamazenta. Yeah, Tunkhannock was selling these. Let's see if this is Tunkhannock. I don't think it is. It could be, though. Yeah, it is Tunkhannock. But, yeah, so I went up to get some. I was going to get, I mean, they had about, nowhere to lie, about 18 Zamazentas up there. And I'm like, I got to buy 2 of them. And like every time I would go there, they would be bringing more stuff out, and there was like select football or select basketball or Prism football or whatever, all this really nice stuff. And I passed over them a bunch of times. I wanted to get at least 4 of them. I don't know. I know I got at least 2, but I might have only, maybe I did get 3. I don't know. Maybe I got 4. I don't think I did though. I remember I kept passing them over and having to come back the next day. Like this is Barnes and Noble. Got 2 of these portfolios and 2 of these. I think these are the extended series. The extended series. Alright, I'm making good time. I'm getting a lot of stuff out of here. Mega box without a bag. Oh, cool. Collegiate. 4 Blaster exclusives. Good. It's weird how the other day I was like showing you guys the mega boxes. One said like 10 Blaster exclusives or whatever the heck it says on it. It was the ones in the boxes. And then, come on, really? Dumb. All this is mail on the receipts. And of course, it has to flip over on camera, get me mad. Well, there was 2 hockey packs in there too. I'm gonna have to throw all my excess stuff like this. Another recyclables thing. Why is it here? But anyways, so I'm gonna throw all my excess stuff in that empty box that I got in the mail from a drop. This is just stuff that I bought for school. There's like 4 different colors. There's gray, there's black, there's blue, there's pink, there's... Oh. This must be from Tunkhannock, because I remember buying some of them. I bought them at different places, but except Tunkhannock. Zamazenta. I think I might have one more. Oh, that's right. I remember. I told the guy those hockeys aren't going to sell because like he was trying to get me to get a hockey. Like it was like one of the goofy like what are they called? Clerks or something. He's like, yeah. It's like, oh, he's like, you don't know what you're talking about. That hockey will sell today. It'll be gone. I said that won't sell for at least 5 or 6 days until all the other stuff is gone. So I went back the next day. They were all there. I went back the next day, they were all there. I went back the next day, they were all there. I kept getting all these Amazentas and all these really, like, Select Basketball and all the good stuff, Prism Basketball. And I saw them, like, about 4 days later, and they were all still there. I said, yeah, I think I'll buy one now since everything else is gone. And he pretended like he didn't know what I was talking about. It's like, okay. Bunch of Venoms. I want to say this was Wilkes-Barre, but it could have been Pittston. Could have been Tunkhannock. Yep, Tunkhannock. Because I remember a guy named James was like watching me like a hawk. I don't mind that they're there and they're there to help and stuff, but I can't stand it when they like come up, watch it. Oh, is he trying to steal stuff? I mean, I guess that's their job, but you could do it more subtle. You could stand and look. You could pretend. But he's like comes right up on top of me. Weird, it has Tunkhannock here, but I don't know. See, this Tunkhannock one says 1999, and these are not 1999. So the football 1999, whatever that is, maybe it's two blasters that I already showed. I don't know. These two came in on this one saying it was from Wilkes-Barre, and they jacked the price. Remember, these things used to be like $4.99. Now they're $11.98 for a pack. I always see them. They're always there, and they're always not. They're always like full because no one's buying them. Then they wonder why. What is that? It's probably some kind of soda cap from Crackle Barrel, I'm assuming. How much time? Alright, still got a few minutes. This is ridiculous. I'm pausing the video.
Hey, there. The NLCS 92 NLCS 92 killed my fire.
Look at the price. I got a whole bunch of these half price. These things go for like $25, $30, whatever. It's the first one I ever bought. First time I saw them, I thought they were going to be like $15. I would have bought one. It was like a Luka Doncic or whatever. So I went up and I scanned it, and I was like, are you kidding? It was like $29 or $25.98 or something. I was like, and the lady, it was funny because I was having one of the workers help me trying to scan it or whatever. And it was funny. She's like, why is that not good? I'm like, that's a disgrace. $5.90, $5.25. Whenever they sell these things for like half price like that, I buy them. I don't care. Right on my push chair. Spock, I'll tell you what. These fucking Spocks, I wanted to smash them. They keep falling out. It's just Spock. Kirk doesn't fall around. Uhura doesn't fall around. Karl Malone doesn't fall around. It's just Spock. I have two Spocks in two different bags, and they keep falling out of both bags. I take it back. It wasn't Spock. Spock stayed in the bag. I thought it was Spock. It was Sulu. Spock kept falling out of the other bag, and I was getting so mad. I just assumed it was Spock again. Alright. The Man. This is stuff I got last night. Half of the stuff, 3/4 of the stuff is still in the kitchen. I haven't even brought it here. I'm just trying to get rid of stuff. I got a whole trunk full of stuff that's been sitting for 3 weeks now, ever since I had that spider bite. Thanks for watching.